About this item, 20W output is designed to provide the maximum charge to iPhone 14 14s Plus / 14 Pro / 14 Pro Max / iPhone 13 13s Mini / 13 Pro / 13 Pro Max / iPhone 12 / 12 Mini / 12 Pro / 12 Pro Max. Charge iPhone 14 13 12 and previous iPhone models up to 3 times faster than with an original 5W charger. Also supports Quick Charge 2.0 for a wide range of Android devices suitable for the US and the world electrical standards. It has ETL, US, FCC CEROHS certificate. The shell is made of high-quality ABS material, heat resistance and chemical resistance, and excellent electrical properties. Exhaustive protection while charging. Included a 6 feet USB-C to C lightning charging cord. Preeminent copper core wire maximizes signal quality and ensures stable data sync. Rapid charging at 3A maximum, helps you work efficiently. iPad Pro 12.9 in 2.8 hours, 2.5x faster than standard USB charger. The USB to Lightning cord equips automatic chip recognition function. You could connect your MacBook Pro with iPhone iPad directly and enjoy the 480 Mbps data transfer speed. The certification ensures 100% flawless compatibility with Apple devices. No more trigger warning messages. PD fast charger compatible with your iPhone 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 13, 13 Mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 12, 12 Mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 11, 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, SE 2020, XS Max, XS, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8, iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini, Google Pixel 5, 4,3, 3XL, 2XL, 2XL, Galaxy S10 Plus, S10.